Beyonce and I have the same bag, okay? I'm wearing the same brand as Beyonce. Like, I am about to just hit the streets with the same brand as Beyonce. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you were new here, my name is OHEMAA. Welcome if you are a returning subscriber. Oh my god. So today I am super excited, okay? Beyonce and I have the same bag, okay? I'm wearing the same brand as Beyonce. Like, I am about to just hit the streets with the same brand as Beyonce. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I scored a Telfar bag. I'm going to show you guys the process to gaining a Telfar bag. No, I don't know the process, okay? I don't know how you're going to do it, but I'm going to show you how I was able to score one on the last launch that they had. Not the black Telfar, but the cyan. I'll put the name over here, but it's that bluish tint one. I was able to score one, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to score one. I'm gonna tell you how long it took for it to get here, and then we're gonna unbox it and see what it looks like. So if you want to see my new bag, then keep on watching. Story time. I'm on the plane. I mean, I saw that it was supposed to be launching on the 27th of July. I was actually supposed to be traveling on the 27th of July. My flight was supposed to leave at 9 a.m. The bag launch was 9 a.m. I didn't know how it was gonna happen. I was hoping the plane would at least be on the tarmac at 9 a.m. so I would try to score one, okay? So come 9 a.m. July 27th, we were on the plane, and this is how, or this is what happened when we try to score one of these Telfar bags, okay? I'm trying to buy this one.
Okay.
I'll go for the middle one. Tell Ivy to go for the little one.
What am I going for?
The big one.
They sell out so fast. What the hell's the problem with it?
Oh wait, you're going for the other one. I'm going for this one.
Soon.
Refresh, babe, refresh. It's available. Bye. Babe, add to cart.
How did it do it? Right.
View cart, check out. Quick. Quickly. Oh my god, I cannot believe you're about to do this. I'm in line. Are you in line? Okay, good. Hopefully it doesn't sell before we get to check out. Don't refresh.
Oh, it's another plane starts and you start flying. It's gonna be unbought.
I'm freaking out.
Don't start the plane. So I guess in essence, the issue with the plane helps you.
3 minutes. Did you get time? Less than a minute. Yes! Where's your card? Yes! So excited. Oh my god. Yeah, you got the big one. Why am I late? Probably because everybody was trying to go for the little one.
No, I was way better than you. Where you going? I want to do that to purchase and all that. Over 500. Didn't get it?
While I'm in line. Mine sold out while I was in line. So So imagine my excitement on this plane. Like, I was super excited. I'm so happy that I won. I asked Atlas to do it. I feel like the reason why he was able to go through was because of his phone. I'm just putting that out there. I don't know, because I hit it the same time he hit it, but he said that I was actually like a few seconds late compared to him because he was already on the site and I was just trying to get to the site. My wait time at that time was 3 minutes. His wait time was less than a minute. So from what I know, if you are in line to check out and your time says 3 minutes, just click off and just go sleep because you're not gonna get it. Now, if your time says less than a minute, it's a chance that you're gonna get it because his time said less than a minute and he was able to get it. Mine said more than 3 minutes and I wasn't able to get it. Okay, so that is what I have deduced from trying for the second time and actually getting one. Okay, so from the 27th to the 4th, today's the 4th, right? Today's the 3rd. From the 27th to the 3rd, the bag arrived actually on the 3rd. So the bag arrived at my door on the 3rd and I haven't opened it yet. So let's go ahead and open this. I don't know what to expect. I'm so excited. I secured the bag. I secured the bag. Oh my god. Okay, so it says Telfar and it tells you where it's coming from. It ships out of New Jersey and hallelujah. So whenever I was telling Atlas, I was like, try to get me the biggest bag. So, you know, they have 3 sizes. They have the mini, the medium, and the large. I wanted the large because all my bags are huge. I don't know why. I just like big bags. So I was super excited. I was like, get me the big one. Okay, get me the big one. This is what the bag looks like. So let's see what it actually looks like. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm very excited to see what it actually is. God damn, it's huge. It is huge. Oh my god. I secured the bag. I secured the Oh, I have a headache. Oh, I have a headache. So this is what it looks like. It is huge. This is the large shopping bag, okay? It comes in a plastic Ziploc container, and then the actual bag is in another bag that has the brand logo on it. And this is like it's a drawstring bag, I guess. Are you excited to see what the bag looks like on the inside? I'm beginning to feel like this color bag influenced my look today because I feel like I'm all dressed up for this bag and I should just take it out right now and go out with it. Oh my god, oh my god. It is huge. Look how big this is. Look how big it is. It is huge. Does it fit the screen? It is almost as big as the whole screen right now. It is huge. The straps are very long. The straps are long enough where you can do like a crossbody with it. I don't think it's adjustable. It doesn't have any straps, and it doesn't have anything on it for adjusting the straps, but it also comes with the straps where you can hold. I don't want to undo this because I don't know when I'm gonna go out with this bag. I just wanted to show you guys that I scored one, and this is what it looks like, and I wanted y'all to know the story behind me scoring one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The inside of this is actually like a turquoise kind of color. Okay, I don't want to undo this. I don't know when I'm going to use this, so I don't want to undo it. But, you know, we secured the bag. We secured the bag. We're going to be on this. We're going to be on the streets, okay? On the streets, wearing a brand that Beyonce actually has worn before. Okay, that is it. That is all I came to show you guys. I am so excited. Okay, so let me know down below in the comments if you've tried to score one of these bags. Let me know if you were actually able to score one of these bags, and if you have any tips, tricks, or whatever on how to score one of these bags, let me know, because I'm gonna be trying to score a mini black on the 4th, which is tomorrow at 9 a.m. so wish me luck. If I do score that one, I'm gonna come back and show you guys that bag too. But I'm so excited. I got the large the large shopping bag. It is huge, and I just put makeup on it. Let me go ahead and put this. If I ever decide to use it and put stuff in it, I will come back and show you guys what's in my bag. But for now, it is going right back where I got it from. I love you guys, and this bag would not have been possible without you, so thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!